This tutorial will guide you through the process of checking your Roblox transactions in Roblox for 2025. Tracking your spending and earnings can help you manage your in-game currency effectively, ensuring you make the most of your gaming experience. So, let's get started. So first, open any web browser that's available on your laptop or desktop. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type roblox.com. While we're in the Roblox website, log into your account so that we can proceed. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in to the Roblox website. While we're in the Roblox website, click the Roblox icon, which is located at the top right of the website screen beside the settings icon. The menu appears. After that, click the My Transactions tab so that we can proceed. As you can see, this is where you can find your transaction history. By following these steps, you can easily check and manage your Roblox transactions in Roblox. Regularly reviewing your transaction history helps you keep track of your spending and earnings, ensuring a more enjoyable gaming experience. For any further assistance or questions, consider reaching out to the Roblox community or support. Happy gaming!